We've evolved with organs, glands and organs since the inception, and you could make the argument that the first organs we ever consumed that made us who we are today is the brain and the bone marrow, right? Before we could go out and do our things as predators, we were scavengers, and we would wait for the predators to go and do their things. And when they would leave the kills, oftentimes all you had were the skeletal remains, but you could take a cranium, you could take a long shaft bone that had marrow in it. You could break that shit open with a rock, or you could smash those, together on a rock, and you could access the brain, you could access the bone marrow, and then the cranial vault starts to explode. And then we start to learn how to make other weapons, and we learn how to hunt, and we learn how to then take preferential access of the animal. But we've always had organs, right? We've always in modern day primitive culture tribes, this is what they go for first. Nobody's going for the muscle meat first. Everybody's going for the organs first. And a lot of times then you're full and you're not even eating the muscle meat. This is going to the dogs, or this is going for something else. So it's just really important that this is the nourishment that we evolved with over millions of years to become the apex predators that we are today. Yet it's been missing from the diet for decades, if not hundreds of years. We've been favoring this tender, fall off the bone muscle meat it's not nutrient void, but if you compare it to organs that are completely rich of nutrients and peptides, this is why this has to be in the diet. This is why this is one of the 9 ancestral tenets